Hello and welcome. You're tuned into Market Café right here on ET Now. I'm Shrishti Sharma, and in the next 1 hour, we're going to be keeping you and making you ready rather for India's today's trading session, and not just tell you what the global stories are that you need to focus on, but also tell you the stocks that you should be keeping on your radar. So let's get started, and firstly, let's put the spotlight on the US markets and what sort of a trading action is what we get to see. Yes, of course, the weakness continues with respect to the move that we have seen in the tech shares specifically, because just yesterday as well, it was Nasdaq that declined the most, with almost 1.5% of cuts coming in over there. With respect to S&P 500, there too we have seen a bit of a decline coming in. S&P 500 decline almost 0.5%, while Dow Jones that gained almost 260 odd points. It was the chipmakers that were indeed down. AMD was down almost 18%. Along with that, with respect to Boston Scientific shares, that too plunged almost 17%. But add to that is Cognizant. The company did come out with its earnings, and we have seen the company did beat its Q4 estimates and guidance as well, and the stock was seen to be gaining almost 2.7% in yesterday's trading session. When it comes to the other markets as well, especially European markets, there we have seen a bit of a decline coming in, or rather a mixed trade, wherein FTSE gained almost 1% and CAC was also up. So all in all, the tech shares were indeed something that were on the back foot, while Dow Jones did gain more than 200 points in yesterday's trading session. So that's all about the US market, but let's also quickly tell you what all is happening within the crude basket as well. And there we have seen that crude as of now is trading flat, no significant moves over there. But the bigger ask is that the US-Iran talks that ease supply fears, and the crude futures were seen to be snapping its 2-day advances, while Tehran confirms that there are talks with Washington this week. Uncertainty over scope of US-Iran negotiations was something that weighed heavy on the crude oil prices. But along with that, what we are getting to see is the kind of move in the gold and silver prices, because they are turning to be very volatile. Just yesterday on an intraday basis, we have seen gold and silver actually falling from their higher levels, but as of now, in the morning, we have seen both of them gaining smartly. Gold is higher by almost 1%, is trading above that $5,000 per ounce mark, while silver too, just yesterday we have seen it climbing to yet again to that $91 per ounce mark, but as of now it's 88 level that is holding as we speak. But Bitcoin as well is the other talking point, because Bitcoin sings as Decent dismisses the bailout. So that's about the stories that we are tracking at this point in time. But with this, viewers, let's also tell you the latest coming in from